Okay. I don't know if something's going to try to come out here or not. There it is. I'm going to go ahead and pull it out and make sure there's nothing wrong with it. So much easier. That's loose enough. That's loose enough. That's loose. There's that one. And this is loose. It's completely loose. All I got. Oh, nice. Nice, nice. This, what happens if this is what you get when you have broken gears. You get a handful of gears. Pretty, huh? Not what you want to see. That's why we're doing this. Right there. There's at least 20 of these little guys sitting in here.